Welcome. If you want to open application in the pop-up view on your LG Velvet, for the first you have to open the apps that you want to use. So I'm going for the YouTube, Google Chrome, and also for the Play Store. Right now we have to open the background apps. So make this gesture, click on the icon of the application and tap pop-up view window. And right now let's try to open the second, this one, and as you can see currently we got two apps opened in the pop-up view, so we can work on it at the same time, and also we can use our smartphone. We can also try to resize the apps when we drag it a little bit, and we can just make it smaller like that, close it, or just make it back to the resize. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!